Good morning, my dear students. Today, in the next chapter, in the next exercise, we are going to do the plotting a point in the Cartesian plane. In the last lecture, we have done that how we define a point and how we define the Cartesian plane. When the x-axis and the y-axis intersect each other at 90 degree at origin, then they divide the plane into four parts. That parts are called as quadrants, and we call this plane as the Cartesian plane or the xy plane. Clear? Now, any point can be defined in the form of x comma y. Any point can be defined in a plane can be defined in the form of x comma y, where first defined as the x coordinate and the second position defined for the y coordinate. We can call it as abscissa or we can call it as ordinate. Now the next point is how to plot a point in the Cartesian plane. As we are having the point 2, 4, now we have to plot 2, 4 in the Cartesian plane. Now here that 2, 4 defines the distance of this point from the y-axis along the positive x-axis is 2 units, and the distance of the point from the x-axis along the positive y-axis is 4 units. So, how we are going to find out that the distance of y-axis, distance of this point from the y-axis along the positive of the x-axis is 2 units. So, this is the 1 unit and this is the 2 unit. Here we have 2 units. And the distance of the point from the x-axis along the positive y-axis is 4 units. So, this is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit. Here is the point. Now what you have to do, as we have already done, that the point is the if we are taking the x coordinate or the y coordinate, they are the perpendicular distance from the axis. So we have to draw the perpendiculars from this. First draw the perpendicular from this point and draw the perpendicular from this point. When you draw their perpendiculars, where they meet, that point is called as the point 2, 4. So here we have the point 2, 4. This is how we plot a point in the Cartesian plane. Clear? So let's start the exercise with it. In exercise 3.3, very first we have in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points lies. As very first we are having the point -2, 4. As we have already discussed about the quadrants, in the second quadrant we have x as negative and y as positive. So -2, 4 lies in the second quadrant. It means we have to, it is the point is from the distance of 2 units on from the y-axis towards the negative of the x-axis. Negative of the x-axis, the distance remains always positive. We cannot take the distance as -2. The distance is 2 units from the y-axis towards negative of x-axis, towards negative of the x-axis. So we have to take the 2 units, 1 unit and 2 unit. And from the x-axis towards y-axis, the distance is 4 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from these two, draw the perpendicular and you will get your point. That here we will get our perpendiculars where they intersect. So the point location is this. So this is the point -2, 4. Next we have 3 minus 1, x3 and y minus 1. It means x is positive and y is negative. So it lies in the fourth quadrant. X is 3, y is -1. -1, y -1 is here, x3 is there here. Now draw the perpendiculars from these 2 points where they meet. That point is 3 minus 1. Next we have -1, 0, -1, 0, x -1 and y coordinate is 0. If any one of the coordinate is 0, it means that point lies on the axis. As y coordinate is 0, so it lies on x-axis. X-axis where the x coordinate is -1. So this is the point minus 1, 0, because we have y coordinate as 0. The next is 1, 2. X is 1, y is 2. As both x and y are positive, so it lies in the first quadrant. X is 1 and y is 2. Draw the perpendiculars from these 2 points. Now where they meet, that point is 1, 2, and it lies in the first quadrant. Now minus 3, minus 5, as both are negative, so it lies in the third quadrant. X is minus 3, here is x minus 3, and y is minus 5, here y is minus 5. So draw the perpendiculars. So here is the point minus 3, minus 5. Okay, this is how we can define their quadrants, and we can locate the points on the Cartesian plane. So in the next question, we have question number 2. We have plot the points xy given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. As we have already drawn the Cartesian plane, now we have to accordingly plot the points. Very first point is x is minus 2 and y is 8. As x is negative, y is positive, so it lies in the second quadrant. So x minus 2 and y is 8. Draw the perpendiculars, and where they meet, that point is where they intersect both the perpendiculars. Here we can locate the points minus 2, 8. Clear? Now next we have minus 1, 7. X is minus 1, again it lies in the second quadrant, so it lies here. So this is the point minus 1, 7. Next we have x is 0. As x is 0, it means it lies on the axis where the coordinate is non-zero. Y coordinate is non-zero, so it lies on y axis, minus 1.25. As we know, minus 1 and minus 2. So when you draw these points on the graph, you will easily get your point where minus 1.25 lies. So it is very near to minus 1, so we will take it here. So this point is x0 minus 1.25. The next point is x is 1 and y is 3. Here we have x1, as both are positive, so it lies in the first quadrant, and y is 3. Draw their perpendiculars where they intersect. So this is the point x1, y3. Next we have x3, y minus 1. As x is positive and y is negative, so it lies in the fourth quadrant. Here we have x3 and y minus 1 is here, so it lies here. So it lies here. It lies here. So this is the point x3, y minus 1. Clear? So this is how we can locate the points, or we can plot the points on a graph or on the Cartesian plane. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you.